synthetic fibers and plastic. So here we will start with the first topic, that is what is fibers. Then we will see what are the different types of fibers, plastics, and in this PPT we are only going to discuss about the fibers. Now here fibers are generally thin, elongated, thread-like continuous filaments which are having a high tensile strength, which can be spun into cloth, पेपर और प्लास्टिक्स, यानी कि फाइबर्स को हम स्पिन करके उन्हें हम क्लोथ में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, पेपर्स में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, प्लास्टिक्स में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स आर मेड अप ऑफ केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस कॉल्ड एज polymer. Okay, this polymers are made up of from two terms, that is poly and mers, that we'll see in the later part. Fibers are further classified into two categories, natural and synthetic. Natural means what, which we get from naturally from the earth, as well as synthetic means what, which are prepared by human beings. So we will see that what are the natural and synthetic polymers in detail in this video. So natural fibers are obtained from plants, animals, whereas you can see that this is what cotton plant will give cotton, and by using that cotton we can make different materials from the cotton, that is cotton shirts, cotton pants, as well as threads. Everything can be most of the things can be prepared from cotton. Next is silk. Silk, we know that silk is obtained from silkworm. So silk इसलिए होता है, silk is also used as an material for making threads, ropes. Okay, so now the next one is, that is wool. Wool we know that we got from sheep, we get from sheep. And next is what, this is linen. Linen के कपड़े आपने सुने होंगे, linen ropes are there. So this all are the naturally obtained fibers which we use in our day to day life. Next is about plant fibers. So now we are going to see about what are the different plant fibers. First one, cotton. Cotton fiber is obtained from the cotton plant. It is one of the traditional fibers used in textile industry. So textile industry में use होता है in order to prepare cotton shirt piece, pant piece. Okay, dress materials are prepared from the cotton, and this cotton materials are mostly preferable in summer season, so that it is a good absorbent of heat. So जल्दी से वो बॉडी में से जो स्वेटिंग होता है इजीली अब्सॉर्ब कर लेता है. सो वी यूज टू प्रिफर मोर कॉटन क्लोथ्स. ओके, सो कॉटन कहाँ से बनता है, दैट इज अ नेचुरल फाइबर्स. लिनन. लिनन फाइबर इज ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम द फ्लैक्स प्लांट. अभी जो मैंने आपको पीछे जो वीडियो में पीपीटी में देखा, one image, that the last image, that is flax plant. The properties of linen fibers are similar to cotton fabric. Next is jute. We know that jute is obtained from jute plant. On account of jute is used for making पैकिंग मटेरियल्स, जैसे कि थ्रेड लाइक रहता है, जूट मटेरियल्स आपने देखा होगा जो पैकिंग के लिए यूज होता है, बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स हाई स्ट्रेंथ कैपेबिलिटी. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज एनिमल फाइबर्स. व्हाट आर एनिमल फाइबर्स? द फाइबर्स व्हिच आर ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम एनिमल्स. तो सबसे पहले हमने देखा सिल्क. I have already explained you, silk is obtained from silkworm, and the most popular kind of silk is obtained from the mulberry silkworm, a kind of silkworm है, right? Type, breed egg. Wool. Wool fabrics is soft to touch and provides warmth, due to which it is preferred for winter apparel. Okay, so this is what are the animal fibers. Now we are going to deal with synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers means what? As I've said you, synthetic fibers are obtained by processing petrochemicals chemically, just like natural fibers. Synthetic fibers can also be spun into fabric. Okay, and they have many uses. They can be used to make maps, sorry, ropes, furnitures, and even in ships, spaceships, etc. So synthetic fibers are man-made. They are made up of chemicals. Okay, हर एक सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स के अपने अपने केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज होते हैं. इट मींस मटेरियल चेंजेस, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज changes. Okay, synthetic fibers are more in length and long lasting. Long lasting मतलब क्या, बहुत टाइम तक ये चल सकता है, right? So it is more preferable than the natural fibers. The only limitation in that is poor absorbent of moisture and they catch fire easily. इसीलिए synthetic कपड़े ज्यादातर preferable क्यों नहीं होते? If it is too much hot then you will not sustain, वो पहन के तुम रह नहीं सकते हो because of poor absorbent of moisture and they can catch fire easily or easily fire लग जाता है, okay, जल जाता है. Next is about a synthetic fiber is also a chain of small units joined together. तो छोटे 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 units joined रहते हैं. Okay, in the previous slides I have said that I'll discuss about what is polymers. So here we will see that each small unit is called a chemical substance and many such small units combine to form a large single unit called a polymer. बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे यूनिट्स फॉर्म होते हैं एक बड़ा सा सिंगल यूनिट में. ओके, दैट इज सेड टू बी एज पॉलीमर. पॉली मींस व्हाट? मेनी. ओके, पॉली मींस व्हाट? मेनी. एंड मर मींस व्हाट? पार्ट और यूनिट. ये टर्म याद रखना, यानी कि मेनी पार्ट और मेनी यूनिट्स आर कंबाइंड टू फॉर्म अ पॉलीमर. ओके, तो छोटे छोटे सब्सटेंसेस. इफ यू सी अ थ्रेड, अगर थ्रेड को तुम एकदम माइन्यूट लो पास से देखोगे तो यू विल फाइंड दैट सम स्मॉल स्मॉल फाइबर्स आर देयर. ओके, ऐसे नहीं है कि बड़े बड़े फाइबर्स को ज्वाइन करके बना दिया है, ठीक है, तो वो बहुत छोटे छोटे फाइबर्स से बनते हैं, राइट. नेक्स्ट इज अबाउट, सो अ पॉलीमर इज मेड अप ऑफ मेनी रिपीटिंग यूनिट्स. नेक्स्ट इज rayon. We'll start with the types of synthetic fibers. Now synthetic fibers, rayon. Rayon is prepared from a cellulose. Which cellulose? Through the cellulose is a natural polymer. It needs extensive chemical treatment to form rayon. Since silk is very expensive, silk cloths बहुत ही expensive होते हैं और it is not possible for everyone to purchase it, rayon is considered to as a substitute of silk. It is also called artificial silk. किसको बोलते हैं? rayon को. Rayon is synthesized by chemically treating cellulose or wood pulp. जो first point है wood pulp and is called regenerated fiber. Therefore it can be called semi-synthetic fibers. So semi-synthetic fibers, it is also known as artificial fibers, as well as it absorbs the moisture and comfortable to wear. Okay, now it can be easily dyed in vivid colors, यानी कि हम उसको अलग अलग colors में convert कर सकते हैं. Now we'll see the different rayon materials, but before that I'll say something about the properties. That is, strong and absorbent, may stretch or shrink, does not melt, shiny in appearance, and can be dyed in various colors. These are the uses of the rayon. Now what are the different rayon materials? We'll see right now. You could see that dress materials, some of the dress materials are made from the rayon materials. You could see that carpets are made up of rayon materials. The jackets are also being made from the rayon materials. This is what we say as medical equipments are also made from the rayon materials. Medical, जब पट्टी वट्टी लगाते हैं ना, जब कभी कटता है तो वो rayon से बना हुआ रहता है, because it can last for longer period of time. Next is about nylon. Nylon से क्या है? Nylon is the first complex synthetic polymer to be made. In the beginning, nylon was used to make stockings. However, later on, being strength and lightness, it is used for making parachutes. Okay, nylon is another man-made. In 1931, it was made without using any natural. ये पहला ऐसा मटेरियल था जिसमें प्लांट और एनिमल का थोड़ा भी मिक्सचर नहीं था, प्योरली आर्टिफिशियल था, राइट. So now next is, it was prepared from coal, water and air. It was the first fully synthetic fiber. Synthetic, we know that man-made. Now what are the different properties of nylon? It is strong and easy to dye. बहुत strong भी है, long lasting है, we can use it for longer period of time. Nylon fibers do not absorb water easily. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट, इट इज इलास्टिक इन नेचर एंड हाईली ड्यूरेबल, यानी कि जितना भी हम रफ यूज करते हैं उसमें वियर एंड टियर नहीं आएगा. नेक्स्ट इज इट इज यूज टू मेक पैराशूट्स एंड रोप्स फॉर रॉक क्लाइंबिंग. देखो रॉक क्लाइंबिंग और पैराशूट्स के जो रोप्स है इट शुड बी वेरी गुड इन मटेरियल, बिकॉज अगर वो टूटा इंसान गया, ठीक है. इसीलिए वो जो मटेरियल स्पेशली मेड फ्रॉम नाइलॉन, because of its high durability. Nylon thread is actually stronger than a steel wire, तो nylon इतना strong रहता है. Now we'll see that what are the different applications. You can see that in day to day life when we sit in a car we use a seat belt. वो जो seat belt बना रहता है वो किससे बना रहता है, वो जो material है black color, you can see that पट्टी, that is made from nylon. You can now imagine that which material, what kind of material it will be. Next is toothbrush. Okay, so you could see that toothbrush का जो material है that is also made from nylon. Next is about bags. Nylon bags are also available, as well as ट्रैकिंग के लिए सब यूज होता है, स्लीपिंग के लिए, दैट इज ऑल्सो बीन मेड अप ऑफ nylon. Ropes are also there made up of nylon, and specially for parachute ropes are made up of nylon because of its high strength. Now we'll see about polyester. Polyester means what? Poly plus ester. Here polyester is divided into two terms. Polyester is made up of several ईस्टर यूनिट्स. अभी ये ईस्टर के बारे में सिर्फ ये टर्म ही सुनो, बिकॉज ये अभी तुम्हें नहीं आएगा, जब तुम हायर स्टडीज करोगे तब तुम्हें इसके बारे में बहुत डिटेल में आता है. अभी सिर्फ नाम से हमें याद ध्यान रखना है. नाउ पॉलिस्टर इज मेड अप ऑफ सेवरल ईस्टर यूनिट्स. इट इज मेड फ्रॉम पेट्रोलियम. Polyester is usually blended with wool or cotton to make polywool or polycot. तो इसे wool के साथ ट्रीटमेंट किया जाता है या फिर cotton के साथ to make as polywool or polycot. You could see that I highlighted over here in yellow color so that you can identify. Esters are chemicals which give fruits the smell. फ्रूट्स में जो स्मेल आते हैं हम आइडेंटिफाई करते हो किसकी वजह से होते हैं, ईस्टर्स की वजह से होते हैं. एंड व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलीमर्स, दैट इज पॉलीकॉट, पॉलीवुल, टेरिकॉट. So these are the different types. As the name suggests that they are made by mixing two types of fibers, जो मैंने आपको already बता दिया. Now polycot is a mixture of polyester and cotton. Polywool is a mixture of polyester and wool. Next is about what are the properties of polyester. Now what are the properties? Now we can see that fabric made from this fiber does not get wrinkled easily. Wrinkled मतलब क्या, हम अगर उसे क्रश करके रखेंगे तो उसमें कोई भी दागे नहीं होंगे. इट मीन्स हमें wrinkled शेप कहीं भी नहीं दिखेगा, वो अपने ओरिजिनल शेप में फिर से रिगेन करेगा. नाउ इट रिमेन्स क्रिस्प एंड इज इजी टू वॉश. ओके, तो बहुत इजीली वो साफ सफाई हो जाता है, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आता. As it absorbs less water and dries quickly. Terylene is a popular polyester. It can be drawn into very fine fibers that can be woven like any other yarn. Okay, because it is having very malleability property which we can drawn into thin wires, which we have studied in metals and non-metals. Yes, same here, polyesters is having a very good property that it can be turned into woven like another yarn. PET, okay, is a very familiar form of polyester. What is PET full form? Polyethylene terephthalate, a form of polyester. This PET full form you will find in your NCERT textbook. Go and see, turn your pages and read it down. Okay. Now, along with that, it is used for making bottles, utensils, films, wires. What is films? Thin films मतलब क्या? A kind of material which is used for making. पुराने ज़माने में हम कैमराज में यूज करते थे, वो आपने देखा नहीं होगा शायद. Now if you search in it, you'll get to know that what is films and many other useful products. Let's see the next part, that is acrylic. Now before that acrylic, we'll see that what it is made up of. Acrylic is often a substitute of wool. We have studied right now polyester. Polyester is a mixture of poly and ester. Now acrylic is a substitute of wool in place of wool, because कोई ना कोई नेचुरल सब्सटेंस को रिप्लेस करने के लिए कोई ना कोई सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स अवेलेबल है. सो बेस्ड ऑन दैट वी ह्यूमंस हैव आइडेंटिफाइड इट सब्स्टिट्यूट, सो दैट सस्ता भी हो, चीप भी हो, लोग अफोर्ड भी कर सके और उसे लॉन्गर पीरियड तक प्रोडक्शन भी किया जा सकता है. Synthetic fibers are more durable and affordable, which makes them popular than the natural fibers. मैंने जो अभी कहा वही है. Now next is advantages of synthetic fibers. अब तक हमने पूरे एक्रिलिक के बारे में पढ़ लिया, पॉलिस्टर के बारे में पढ़ लिया, रेयन एंड नाइलॉन के बारे में पढ़ लिया. So what we get to know that some are the naturally obtained fibers and some are the man-made, and man-made are said to be a synthetic fibers. So what is the advantages of man-made or synthetic fibers that we are going to see right now? That is, first advantages is that it is strong. तो आपने जितने भी synthetic fibers देखा होगा सब में ये statement आया होगा. Okay, so only I have written only this single word so that you can apply in all those synthetic fibers. Next one is what? Retain original shape. So उसके shape में भी कोई changes नहीं आता है. Next is what? It is elastic in nature. It means no problem. थोड़ा stretch करोगे तो भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. Next is soft. Soft मतलब आपको idea है what is soft. Next is color. Color means what? It can be dyed into any colors. कोई भी shape, कोई भी color तुम दे सकते हो. No problem in that. नेक्स्ट इज कॉस्ट. कॉस्ट मतलब क्या? वेरी लेस अमाउंट, ज्यादा कॉस्टली नहीं होता है कंपैरेटिवली टू दी नेचुरल फाइबर्स. द last one we are going to see that is disadvantages of synthetic fibers. Now what are the disadvantages? That is very important और बहुत important topic, बहुत important paragraph अभी आने वाला है. Synthetic fibers melt on heating. अगर मैं उसे मेल्ट करूंगा, what will happen? जैसे प्लास्टिक बर्न आउट होता है, आपने देखा होगा प्लास्टिक कैसे जलता है, नीचे नीचे ड्रॉपलेट्स गिरते रहते हैं, बराबर. वो कैसे होता है? बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स प्रॉपर्टी. बिकॉज so synthetic fibers also starts melting on heating. If the clothes catch fire it can be disastrous. क्यों? क्योंकि देखो मेल्ट होता है तो मेल्ट होने के बाद वो कहाँ पे जाएगा? वो मटेरियल वो हमारे बॉडी की स्किन के साथ चिपक जाएगा एंड इट स्टिक ऑन आवर स्किन and it will be very much harmful because it is not that easy to remove from our body. Okay, severe injuries may occur. The fabric melts and sticks to the body of the person wearing on it. We should therefore not wear synthetic clothes. खास करके ध्यान रखना है सिंथेटिक क्लोथ्स नहीं पहनना है while working in the kitchen or in a laboratory. Okay, kitchen और laboratory में तो खास करके पहनना ही नहीं है. Now next will be this will be the end of our part 1 of synthetic fibers and plastics.